Hello. In this video, we will explain what artificial intelligence is and why it has become part of almost everything we use today. You have probably used AI several times since you woke up. Artificial intelligence is already a part of your everyday life, working behind the scenes in tools you rely on, such as navigation, Netflix, face recognition, and analysis of data. Artificial intelligence, also called AI, is the simulation of human intelligence inside a machine. AI tries to perform tasks that normally require a human being brain. These tasks include learning, reasoning, thinking, problem solving, recognizing patterns, and making decisions. AI can look at the information, understand it, and then use that understanding to give an answer or perform an action. It might sound like magic, but it's not magic. It is a combination of science, mathematics, data, and technology working together. Let's start with a simple example by asking this question. How can AI learn what a tree is? Imagine a tree. A tree has roots, a trunk, branches, leaves, and sometimes flowers. You know what a tree looks like because you have seen many of them in your life. But what about AI? AI does not know what a tree is, even if you know or show him a picture. It must learn the shape, color, and structure of the tree before it can recognize it. So, how can AI learn what a tree is? AI can access a very large amount of data. It can analyze thousands of pictures of trees, measure the height of the trunk, see the shape of the leaves, look at the pattern of the branches, and understand the color of the stem. After finding all the similarities in the data, the AI can conclude that this object is a tree. This process is part of something bigger called machine learning, which we will explain later in this module. Machine learning is a method that teaches AI how to learn from examples instead of being programmed line by line. This is how AI becomes better over time. AI is already part of our everyday life. When you open Google Maps, AI calculates the fastest route. When Netflix suggests a movie, it learns your taste and makes recommendations. When your phone recognizes your face, that is AI. When customer service chatbots answer you at midnight, that is AI too. Before we look at more examples, it is important to understand there are different types of AI. One of the earliest AI systems was built to play chess. The system used calculations and rules to beat world champions. A famous example is the Deep Blue computer that played against Garry Kasparov. Another type of AI focuses on understanding language. and interacting with people. A good example is Siri on the iPhone. You say, "Hey Siri," and it can look up information, set reminders, or even call someone for you. Siri was one of the first popular examples of speaking to an AI. And today, many people use tools like ChatGPT, which can understand questions and answer almost like a human conversation. There are more advanced forms of AI that can understand context and generate helpful explanations. In the next video, we will look at two major types of AI that exist today. Then, in the following video, we'll explore how AI learns using machine learning. This will help you understand how modern AI tools work behind the scenes. Thank you for watching this interaction. Before we continue with the course and learn more about the world of AI, let me introduce myself. I am Sandy, the founder and owner of LearnAIPro. My goal is to help you unlock the power of artificial intelligence in a simple and practical way. Let's continue the course and learn more about the world of AI. Thank you.